This is how you're going to link WordPress menu items to sections. So if you want your top menu to smoothly jump down to a specific part of your page instead of loading a new one, you need to use a CSS ID. So inside Elementor, you're just going to click on the section that you want to jump to. So for example, I want to jump to this section. So just going to choose that section right here. Just make sure that you choose the whole section. Now, or maybe I'm going to choose this one. Now from here, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then click on the advanced tab. Now you're going to find the CSS ID box. So if you just scroll down a little bit, you will find it right here. You're going to just click on that. And then from here, you can type a simple nickname like about. So you're not going to add spaces or number signs, so nothing. You're just going to type in about. Now we're going to head over to our WordPress dashboard, and then we're going to navigate to appearance. So from the left side panel, we're just going to scroll down until you find this appearance right here, and then you're going to click on menus. So you can find menus again from the left side panel. Going to click on that, and then from here we're going to click on custom link. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find custom links right here. So you're just going to open this drop down, and then from here in the URL box, you're going to type $sign or hashtag about. Now after that, you're going to make sure that you include the $sign here, and then you're going to add it to your menu and save. So you're just going to click on add to menu, and then you're going to save menu. You're going to click on save menu right here at the bottom of the page. And that's it. Now when someone clicks that menu item, the page will automatically scroll right to that section. And that's it. That is how you're going to link WordPress menu items to sections. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.